Welcome back. It is morning time, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare the Scrapple for breakfast or brunch or whenever you want to eat it. So I have my cake pan full of the good Scrapple mixture. There's some moisture on the top. That's what it does sometimes. It's no problem. And so I want to cut this up into what you might make for breakfast for a few people, because I will be giving some of this to my brothers. Yeah, some of it will go in the freezer, as this does freeze well, although it will be a little bit crumbly. Alright, and now I'm going to remove a piece. I'm going to get the small one and make for breakfast today. Alright, now that I've cut this into a more manageable piece, I'm going to cut this into slices. And you want your slices not too thick, not too thin. So, about like that. Alright. So what I did, there's no oil in the pan. You don't want to do this when there's oil in the pan because you could hurt yourself. So when it's empty, you pour it in. You see it when my heat is on medium. Now what I'm going to do is add enough oil to cover the bottom of the pan. I probably could use a smaller skillet for this since I only have 6 pieces. But I've already started with this one. So I have a little bit of cornmeal. And then I have my Scrapple right here. So the thing I've not seen anyone do on YouTube with other videos is roll it in cornmeal first. And this is the way we used to do it when I was growing up. So roll it in cornmeal first, and what happens is it gives it a nice crispy texture on the outside while the inside is nice and smooth and creamy. So they're ready to be served now. So I'm going to go ahead and take them out of the skillet. So that's how you make Scrapple. Thank you for joining me for Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, and share.